Right now, you're moving at over 1,000 miles per hour. You don't feel it because Earth's rotation is constant. But what if, for just one single second, the world stopped? No, it's not a peaceful pause. It's an absolute global catastrophe. Here's why. Physics is a beast. If the Earth stops, everything on its surface that isn't bolted to the bedrock keeps moving. At the equator, that's 460 meters per second. Imagine being inside a car hitting a wall at 1,000 miles per hour. Every person, building, and tree would be instantly launched sideways. You wouldn't just fall. You'd become a supersonic projectile. But it gets worse. The atmosphere doesn't stop with the ground. Winds would instantly accelerate to supersonic speeds, faster than a nuclear blast wave. These winds would literally peel the crust off the Earth, triggering massive forest fires and leveling entire cities in the blink of an eye. Then comes the water. The oceans, held in place by centrifugal force, would suddenly surge toward the poles. We're talking about mega tsunamis miles high, moving faster than a jet plane. If you're near a coast, you're gone before you even realize the Earth stopped. So, the next time you feel like the day is moving too slow, just be glad the Earth is still spinning. If you want to explore more what-if scenarios that keep you up at night, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay curious.